Hi class, today we're going to learn arcs and their measurement. So, what is an arc? Arc is a part of a circle. So let's say one point from one point A to another point B. The continuous part between A and B is called an arc. But somebody say, what about the other round from B to the other round to B? So we need to have different ways to name these two different arcs, right? So let's use point A and B and use a little arc on top. Let's call it as a minor arc because it's a small part. How about the larger part? So I want to use another point to name it, say X. So let's go from point A, go through point X, stop at B. So this arc is larger. We call major arc. So that'll be this part, okay? Another vocabulary we need to know is called a central angle. Central angle is the angle has a vertex is right at the center of the circle. So here, I'll just randomly draw. So this angle is called a central angle. And how to measure, say, this is so this here is a C and this is D. So how to measure the arc CD? You need to know the measurement of arc CD equals the measurement of the central angle, which is angle COD. For example, if the central angle is 30 degrees, then the arc measurement of CD is 30 degrees. Okay, so somebody say, what about the major arc C, X, and D? So that means we start from C, go through X, all the way to D. Do you know the whole circle's how many degrees for the whole circle? That will be 360, right? And then we can subtract the little arc, which is the minor arc, CD. We already know it's 30 degrees. So the major arc, CXD, equals 330 degrees. Okay? And one more important thing you need to know, say I want to extend this radius CA and I draw a diameter, say cut here at E. So CE is a diameter. And we have a semicircle, which is CAE. It's half of the circle, so it's called a semicircle. So, can you tell me how many degrees of the semicircle? Then that would be the whole circle degree divided by 2. That would be 180, right? Maybe you'll say, I have different ways to write the semicircle. Can I do CXE? Definitely. As long as you start from the one point, go through another point, and end another point, and this is the way to represent semicircle. You don't have to stick one way. This measurement will definitely equal to the other semicircle, which is CDE, right? Again, CDE we can have different way to to represent. That would be C, B, E. Yeah, because B and D, they both are the points on the way from C and E. So that's vocabulary for our new lesson.